This is full automatic and size interchangeable. Floor deck sheet roll forming machine line. Uncoil the steel sheet feeds the material into roll forming machine. Straighten and hole punch before roll forming. Embossing on floor deck sheet for anti-slipping. Roll forming floor deck sheet as engineer needs. It is size interchangeable, and all sizes can be set on HMI. Hydraulic universal cutting. One set cutting blades can be suitable for all sizes, and the cutting blade is made from car 12 move, hard material, good for extending cutting blade working life.